Sanibonani sizwe sakithi, ngithemba ukuthi niphilile. Akusikhulume ngendaba ama-scarce skills because I hear a lot of talk around ukuthi kuzo-importwa or kuphushwa ama-visas for abantu abanama-scarce skills. Ngicela ukukunika I think top 5 or top 8 yama-scarce skills, and I would like to challenge everyone. Ngisho ngabe kuthiwa uyamazi umuntu onale qualification, tag them, repost this video isabalala. Akwesenze our own mini survey lana nje kwa TikTok, our own mini survey, sibone ngempela ukuthi abekho laba bantu kulelizwe, abekho ngalendlela ukuthi kufanele belandwe abantu ngaphandle, and you'll be surprised ukuthi u-top 1 obani ukuthiwa bayi-scarce skills. Number 1, between 2025 and 2026, top scarce skills in South Africa. Number 1, information and communications technology, ICT. And kuthiwa it's consistently the most, in demand category of scarce skills. Software developers, IT architect, cybersecurity engineers, data scientists and analysts, and AI and cloud computing specialists. Comment below if you fall under that category. Engineering. Severe shortage nakhona. Civil, constructural, mechanical, electrical engineers, technologists and technicians by a short. Comment below if you fall under that category. Healthcare shortages, and yeah, there's a rising demand. Doctors, nurses, pharmacists, surgeons and healthcare managers. Comment below if you fall in that category. 4, finance and accounting. Accountants, auditors, CAs, chartered accountants, financial analysts, and fintech specialists. Uyalwazi udaba. Education and STEM teachings. Maths, science, technology teachers, university lecturers. 6, skilled trades and /artisans. Electricians, welders, boilermakers, fitters, and millwrights. 7, renewable energies and green skills. Solar PV installers, renewable energy engineers. 8, foreign language specialists. Shuthi kufanele wazi ama foreign language specialists. Okay, and that's it. Yona list le. You know what I was thinking mina when I first heard le ndaba ka-scarce skills, cause ngiyaxakeka ukuthi in 30 years South Africa akakayi-bridge namanje igap ka-scarce skills. Ngitshela ukuthi mina mhlambe bazothi molecular energy what specialist, noma mhlambe umuntu okwazi ukucwaninga kuya kanjani espace. I was so expecting izinto unheard of, you understand? Mina ngithi take your unemployed friends that fall within these 8 scarce skills of South Africa. Akwesenze nje our own research as youth South Africa. Sibone ukuthi bangaka abantu aba-unemployed, bangaka abantu futhi abanazo lawo ma-skills who are severely underpaid, because these are the skills uhulumeni wethu athi uzozi-importer. Right now they are in a process of expediting ama-visa for people abangaphandle ngoba kuthiwa they are bringing these scarce skills. How scarce are these skills? South Africa, comment below if you fall into any one of these categories. Nibe nosuku oluhle. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi ascarce kangakanani lama skills.